Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh dan selamat sejahtera. So today we continue with the chapter 1, okay, indices. Chapter 1. Indices INDICES, indices. So index, okay, 1.1 index notation. Okay, index notation. Expressing repeated multiplication as a to the power of n and vice versa. Okay, a to the power of n and vice versa. Okay, example, we have learned that 2 to the power of 2 is equal to 2 times 2. Is it? Okay. A to the power of 2 is equal to a times a. 2 to the power of 3 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2. So 3 times. Okay, 3 times. If 2 to the power of 4 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, and then if 2 to the power of n to the power of n, 2 to the power of n is equal to 2 times 2 times 2, dot 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 dot, and so on, times 2. Okay. Okay, and then 2 to the power of 5. So this one we call as base. Okay, base, and this one is index. Index or power. Okay, simple je yang ni kan. Index notation, base index. Okay, base index ataupun 2 to the power of 5. Okay, finding the value of a. Okay, example 1. Okay, example 1. Finding the value of a to the power of n. Write down the base as vector, b multiply them. Okay, example, we have negative 2 to the power of 5. So multiply, repeated multiplication. So negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So this one we call as repeated multiplication. Okay, sorry. Repeated multiplication. What happen if a fraction? Okay, a fraction 2 to the power of 3, 2 over 3 to the power of 4. Okay, ataupun 2 over 3 index 4. So 2 over 3 times 2 over 3 times 2 over 3 times 2 over 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. So repeated multiplication. Right. By using a calculator. Okay. Okay, now we're using a calculator. Okay. So by using a calculator, alhamdulillah. So first for negative 2, see, for negative 2, okay, negative 2 times, to the power of 5. So guna yang cap ni, guna cap ni 5. And you akan dapat negative 32, ataupun 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16, 16 times 2 is 32. So negative times negative positive. Okay. Tulis mana? Sini. 32. Negative times negative is positive, positive times negative is negative, negative times negative is positive, positive times negative is negative 32. Okay, now we look at the fraction. Okay, 2 to the power of 3 by using calculator. Bracket 2 to the power of 3, 2 over 3, and then cap 4. Okay, 4 equals, and then equals 16 over 81. 16 over 81. Okay. Okay. Example 1. Okay. So smart calculator, negative 2, and then guna simbol ini ya, cap ni, and then 5 button 5, and then equals to negative 32. Senang je. Okay, so example 1 settle. Okay, now we continue with the expressing number with index notation. Okay. Example, a number can be written with index notation by means of repeated division. So keyword dia kat sini repeated division. Yang tadi tu repeated multiplication. Ini kita nak express number with index notation lah. Ini dia bagi satu nombor. Example 2. Okay. 1 to 5. Okay. Equals to, kita nak tukar ini single number ni kepada index notation. So 1 to 5 is 5 times 5 times 5. 5 times 5 is 25. 25 times 5 is 125. And then 5, 1, 2, 3. So index is 3. Base 5, index 3. Okay. By using a repeated division, 1 to 5 divide by 5. 25, 5, 5. So 5 ada 3 kat sini. 5. Okay. Next. Example 3. If 625, okay, sorry, 5 to the power of x equal to 625. So kita nak cari index ni. So kita boleh guna repeated division. Okay, we start with 1 to 6 to 5. 5. Okay, 6 to 5. 1, 2, 5, and then 5, 25, 5, divide by 5. So kita akan dapat 5 to the power of x ataupun 5 base 5 index 8, 5 to the power of 4. 6 to 5 is equals to 5 to the power of 4. Therefore, x equals to 4. Okay. Okay. Okay, that's all.